What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see background apps running on your Android phone. So to see them, go ahead and click on settings on your phone, and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on about phone. Scroll down a bit and click on software information, and you want to tap on the bill number 7 times. Once you tap on this 7 times, it's going to turn on developer mode, but you can see there that I already have it on. So once this is done, you will be triggered to basically enter your PIN or your password, and you want to go back. And once you go back to your settings, scroll down and you should see developer options. Click on developer options, scroll down in the list and find running services. And these are basically all the background apps that are currently running on your phone. And if you would like to stop any one of these applications, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on it and you will see the option to stop. So basically that's how you can easily go ahead and see all background apps and services running on your phone, and you can go ahead and you can tap on them and you can stop them if you don't want to have them running on your phone. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.